in the military, you still have the right to remain silent. A lot of people don't believe they do, because when first sergeant or sergeant major or your company commander XO brings you in and you're a lance corporal, there's no way in the reality of the military, through all the training you've been through, that you're going to tell the first sergeant, I'm not saying anything. I mean, ask any lance corporal who's been there, done that, and the reality is 90% of people are going to talk. But you still have the right, and I urge you to absolutely use it, to remain silent. So if you're being questioned by law enforcement, that could be CID, NCIS. And remember, in the Army, most of the CID agents are active duty. So they're E6s, E7s, sometimes even E5s. And in NCIS, they're former active duty. Some of them are, some of them are not. No matter who you're being questioned by, if it's something that could incriminate you, you have an absolute constitutional right to remain silent. I mean, that's the same right that you swore to uphold and protect when you raised your hand and swore to uphold and protect the Constitution of the United States of America. That's one of the rights. You don't just lose that because you are a Marine or you are a sailor or an airman or a soldier. So, yeah, it may look bad, but I'd rather look guilty than be found guilty is what I always say. And they may not like it or they may not appreciate it. But trust me when I say this, you're going to do yourself a whole hell of a lot more good by just saying nothing. And if you have something that needs to be said, you can utilize an attorney. For example, if we represented you or you had another attorney represent you, we can speak to law enforcement on your behalf. We can speak to the command on your behalf. And trust me when I say that if we say it, it's probably going to come out a lot better. We're going to know how to package that, how to state that in a way that's going to be beneficial to you. And most importantly, it can't be used against you. So if you say something now, you may admit to certain elements of an offense or admit to something the government may not have ever known about. So almost universally, I would say, yeah, you do have a right to remain silent. It's Article 31 Bravo rights under the UCMJ. They're really similar to Miranda, but they're right in the UCMJ under Article 31 Bravo. They're there for a reason. Utilize it.